What's up everyone, Alessandro the Crypto here and welcome to this Bitcoin price analysis. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, guys, because currently we are tanking, and even though Bitcoin is coming down again towards 88k, I still gonna remain bullish and with the opinion that this upcoming week, guys, we most likely gonna see Bitcoin way above $90,000, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why that is in this video, and of course also what I'm doing right now in the crypto space. So welcome everyone on board, make sure to be subscribed on this channel, and of course thank you very much for your great support. We are almost at 4,000 subscribers. Once we reach 4,000 subscribers, we're gonna do the next $100 giveaway for someone of you, so make sure to be subscribed here. Also, if you are trading Bitcoin and altcoins right now on KC Exchange or also Bybit, we are getting the best sign up bonus and deposit bonus. So if you're trading anyway cryptos, then do that right now over there. You can sign up with my links that you find here in the video description to different exchanges, because right now we have everywhere special deals going on. Also here on KC Exchange, no need to pay any fees if you're trading, and also no withdrawal fees on this non-KYC exchange. Sign up there as well, guys, with my links to unlock basically all those benefits. And also, if you want to know what I'm doing right now besides of Bitcoin trading, is of course buying into new low market cap coins with huge upside potential. Of course also risky, because everything in the crypto space is risky, guys, as you know by now, but of course those are the next hyped upcoming cryptos that everyone is watching out right now. So we have a list of new good coins to invest right now, and some of them are, for example, Bitcoin Hyper that raised over 29 millions already. A lot of people are jumping on board here, including me. You can also stake it for 40% rewards. This is a layer 2 on top of Bitcoin that will come out built with Solana. So also here the hype is very big about this new layer 2. Then we have Base Perp, which is the first stacks coming out on Base, like Hyper, Liquid or Esther. And also here we can invest basically in the early access phase. They've just raised $1 million almost. And then last but not least, we also have Hyper Sui, because Hyper Sui is also the next DEX coming out on Sui. And the good thing is that we can invest here at a fraction of a cent. You can see that the price already increased again, and the listing price will be 9 cents. So that's more than a 10x right now if you're buying during the pre-sale phase basically of Hyper Sui. And if everything goes well, then of course here we can make some nice gains. So jump on board, guys. Links in the video description. You can just connect here a DeFi wallet like I'm doing here, and then invest with credit card or also with cryptos, of course, into this new crypto. Remember that everything in this video is of course no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research, and also I'm just sharing my own opinions, what I'm doing here in the crypto space, and also my own market analysis. So be subscribed, you guys, and of course also check out my other social media platforms that you find here in the video description. So Bitcoin right now is coming down again, and even though we are seeing this little sell-off here again, we are in the lower time frame still in very oversold condition, guys. And also the CME is closed on Friday at $89,400. So wherever we are going during the weekend, I believe that this is just some weekend noise. We have less traders around. The price sometimes is just going sideways or goes in a direction, and then on Monday it retraced back where we have been before. So if you're anyway planning to buy more cryptos, then I think with this little dip that we are seeing, you get a great buy opportunity. Of course, no financial advice, but I think that here it's not bad to buy a bit more into Bitcoin. Also, the indicators right now are suggesting that we could a bit go more sideways, maybe even come a bit down. Also here on the daily time frame, you can see that we got rejected from the 50 level in the RSI. We're still on the bearish control zone, and also based on the indicators, we could eventually have another cool off before we had higher then. So if we come down, important is that we don't close daily candles below the bottom line of the candle channels at around 84k. So yes, it is still possible that we could retest the 84, 85k and then maybe later on go up, but not necessarily. And the main reason is because of the higher time frames. So far we have covered the lower time frames. The higher time frames, the 3-day is getting buy signals right now. The 5-day time frame as well, not yet all 100% confirmed, but we are getting their buy signals. Also here we have retracements back into the candle channels. So also here at some point we will test at least the median line, maybe even the top side of the candle channels. So currently between $101,000 to $118,000. That's why a relief rally, in my opinion, is incoming. And also over on the weekly time frame, we bounced at the 100 weekly moving average, and we are about to get everywhere buy signals very soon. We will see those indicators next week, because they will be updated next week. And because we are now above the 100 weekly moving average, it's very possible that we could see a very big move to the upside starting by this week already, if those buy signals are flashing. So this is what I'm going to update tomorrow, guys. For now, I think it's still good. It's looking good, even though we're coming down a bit. And also something important to notice right now and to keep in mind is also over on the liquidation heat map of Bitcoin. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is the liquidation heat map. If you want to get liquidation heat maps, guys, where you see where most money is getting basically taken now, if the price is moving to a certain direction, because most of the times the price is moving towards where most money can be taken. And this is right now here over at $95,000 per Bitcoin. So here we have a lot, currently we have a lot of shorts opened, and they would all get liquidated if the price would go all the way up here towards 95K. And that's why I believe that during this week, we most likely, for whatever reason, we'll see more upside and a nice push to the upside just to move on towards this red zone here where most shorts are getting liquidated. To the downside also we have a little bit, but not that much. You see here everything in green and light blue. That means that there is not much money to be taken. Of course, the price can also come back down here, but at the moment it's just more likely that we're gonna go up here. And of course, above $100,000, we also have a bunch of liquidations waiting there. If you also want to pull out some liquidation heat maps also on altcoins, meme coins and other cryptos and so on, you can do that, of course, over on Trading Different. The link is right here to the liquidation heat maps and other indicators. You can check it out here. Those are all tools that I'm using here in the crypto space, trading bots, trading view account, and of course also here the liquidation heat map over on Trading View and Trading Different. So check it out, guys. Links are here. You get always the best benefits and sign up conditions if you use my links, of course, better than if you just random click any other link, of course. So that's it for now, guys. I remain bullish even though we're coming down a bit. I already bought more altcoins, I bought more Bitcoin and so on, and now I'm just waiting for the move to be happening basically. If you do some scalp trades, and of course if you're trading with my indicators, you can do that on the 1 hour and 15 minute if you want. Currently we're still in the downtrend here in the 15-minute time frame, so it's good to go short, but I think that very soon we will start a move to the upside. If you're buying right now or if you're trading here for the next coming days and weeks, I think we will see an uptrend very soon. And of course, meanwhile, I'm also buying into new coins like Hyper, for example, that raised 29 millions. You can see this is the biggest one out there by far. And of course, into new DEXs, because Aster, Hyperliquid have been doing so great. And that's why I think Base Perp and Hyper Sui also will be doing great. Those are the next competitors that will come out after Apex, Hype, Aster. This one over here, now we have Hypersui and also Base Perp coming out. So check them out, guys. Links are here in the video description, right at the top. So check them out. And if you want to invest, of course, you always have to sign up here, connect the wallet, like MetaMask, for example, and then you can buy in with whatever crypto that you want. So have a great Sunday, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.